Like you said, my name is Pinnock. I'm project coordinator for an IDB-funded project. It has a very long official name, and so we've rebranded it Build Better Jamaica. But let me share with you the long official name. The official name it's called Developing Design Concepts for Climate Change Resilient Buildings. And this project is, as I said, funded by the Inter-American Development Bank. And the main aim of the project is to assess climate change related risks and help to really increase the resilience of the building stock in Jamaica. And some of the outcomes we expect from our project include to develop new design and construction concepts regarding energy and water regarding all resource efficiency, including energy and water, and to improve the assessment of climate change related risks as it relates to our infrastructure, and finally, just generally to increase awareness and knowledge and dissemination of information about climate change resilient construction concepts in the building sector in Jamaica and by extension to the wider Caribbean. Of course, that makes us very happy to be here as a part of this expo because there are two things related to our project here, which is World Water Day and World Meteorology Day, because we're looking both at issues related to climate and issues related to water and water resource management. So I'm going to introduce to you Dr. Kwame Emmanuel, who is one of our consultants on the team, and he's going to speak more specifically about water as it relates to our project.
Okay, good morning everyone, and I'm the second Barbadian presenting this morning. Okay, so how does our project relate to water and water security? Just a brief definition, water security doesn't only look at access to water, but also protecting against the destructive properties of water. So for example, we're protecting against floods and extreme weather events. Our project, which is looking at building better, will look at how we locate our buildings within the watershed, but also design criteria. So for example, in the watershed, we know all the impacts. We impact our rivers through soil erosion, different land uses in agriculture and so on. But specifically buildings, we build in our watersheds and we don't necessarily take into consideration the impacts they would have on our water sources. So that's one area. Also too, we also build in areas where we may be impacted by floods. So for example, some persons build on the riverbank, some persons build next to the coast, so those areas will be impacted by floods. The other area as it relates to water security is how we construct our buildings and the practices in our buildings. So for example, our water use efficiency. How can we be more water use efficient in our buildings? So water use efficiency basically speaks to how do we conserve our water, i.e. not waste our water. So there are different things we can put in our house as it relates to on our taps, our showers and other water devices. And also a big thing that is kind of topical now is rainwater harvesting. So how can we collect water which would otherwise run off to the sea and be wasted? How can we secure that such that we can use it later on? So these are just some of the areas where our project intersects with water management, and hopefully you will start to see some of our approaches or recommendations in the media soon to come out. Okay, thank you very much.
Just to wrap up, I hope you all saw Dr. Emmanuel's piece in the paper this week, which is about the fact that there are business opportunities in climate change resilience. And just to wrap up, you can find out more about our project because we are social. You can find us on Facebook and you can find us on Twitter, and we will soon be launching a blog and a website, right? So please find us on Facebook. It's called Build Better Jamaica. Build Better Jamaica. Same on Twitter, Build Better Jamaica. All right? So please find us, follow us. We would love to keep you involved in what we're doing. Thank you.
Right? And then when it rains, rainfall collects, right? Falls in there. Notice there's a funnel right there. Then it would fill up one of this side. Based on the point side of the rain. And come into the catchment. We have here a first flush. What happens here is that
You have like leaves or debris, so the rain would flush that first,
Right.
and it would caught in this.
Okay.
The canal system, where it harnesses water from river like river, and also pressurized system from well. But no, there's a trust for rainwater harvesting.
As that rainfall going back up as evapotranspiration.
You can share the information the harvesting.
Nice.